Hello, this is Rosa here, and today we are going to be playing some Mope.io. So let's get into this thing. Let's be mouse.
But the good news is the water is still pretty warm, so you don't need like a dry suit to go swimming down that far.
It's a bit laggy.
Okay,
it's lagging way too
much. The bad news is, well, it's also used for professional divers and even underwater film shoots, so good luck booking a slot within the next couple months.
Let's tail back this thing. Sorry, but it's lagging. Sorry, it's lagging. I think we're gonna have to play something else because it's lagging so much. Yep, lagging so much. Lagging too much. Oh, please leave me alone, Mo. It's lagging.
Number 8. So if you go to a luxury hotel and spend a bunch of money on it, obviously you're going to want to...
Oh, I'm not talking, I'm sorry. I need to entertain you guys. Let's get this mushroom. If you don't know how to do this, you just press S on a mushroom.
Literally, the moment you get out of the water, you're surrounded by rooftop celebrity chefs and exclusive nightclubs. Oh, and did I mention there's even a free observatory deck with 360 views of the Singapore skyline? That is if you can afford it.
BMO. Do you see this lagging? It's lagging so much. Or leave me lag. As I don't even want to fight. Pig. Die. It's not letting me get in the hole. Please, cheater. Let me run. No. Pig.
I mean, it's kind of common knowledge that most people like their privacy, but do you think you'd ever go this far? So to give a short explanation, a group of architects made this house with a pool on the roof in the Greek islands, and I've got to be honest, the reason why is pretty crazy. So the whole house is either hidden under the pool or built into the rock, and the pool itself acts like a huge mirror, so the whole house is basically invisible. With that reasoning aside,
I think I might not play this. Do you think I should play this? It's gonna be a very short video.
Number 6. Now this pool is mostly pretty normal, but their way of helping guests get around is pretty unique.
You stop killing me. So much lag. I haven't even died and so much lag.
Now I know what you're thinking. It totally doesn't sound like a real thing, but it's actually really cool and not hard to grasp at all.
Let's not play this. Let's do something else.
I mean, honestly, though, I think the stairs are who cares to walk up
what shall we do? I'm typing, by the way, you can't see this. Splicks, we're playing Splicks. Let's play Splicks. Leave the site. No, not empty. I need to be YouTube. Wow, so much lag. Oh, I've already got it.
So if you're looking for a place to go on a super relaxing retreat, you probably wouldn't think of Utah.
That was just because that stupid thing was in the way. Ugh. Try not to rage because I'm on YouTube. Yeah, I keep saying YouTube all the time. Let's stop saying YouTube. Advert, hurry up! Oh, I'm sorry about this. I hate this advert. Skip. I died. This game is laggy as well. Everything's laggy. Let's try something else. This can be the mix-up of games. How about if I go off this? recording? Good. I'm still recording. Am I really still recording? I'm still recording. Okay. Now what do we want to do?
Number 4.
Let's play Star Stable. Star Stable.
Like you can easily tell
Actually, no.
crazy gimmicks because the Hanging Gardens Resort is completely surrounded by forests. So children
No, let's not play Star Stable.
right there in the trees.
Play something
I mean,
else.
if you're looking to relax, it's pretty much the best place for you. And if that pool is too high, there are loads of smaller ones a bit closer.
Why
to the
don't we
ground.
play something
With all
new?
that said, though, if you're afraid of heights
I
or
don't
you
know
got
what to
vertigo,
play.
this is so an opportunity for you.
Wormate! I love Wormate. Wormate! This is one of my favourite games. I love this. I'm a guest, by the way, in this game. Oh, I didn't know you got these. These casseroles? Are they casseroles? What does this even do? Does it make the food bigger? What does that do? This is weird. Wormate has changed. Heidi, there's an update on Wormate.
What?
There's an update.
Number 3.
Why?
Okay, I'll admit,
How?
I'm kind of cheating here because this
Look.
isn't a real pool, but it's
Update.
basically impossible to tell the difference.
Oh.
So this pool is actually an illusion created by an artist for a museum a few years back, but it's insanely convincing. Like even once you see the people breathing and talking on the floor of the pool, it still feels like they're underwater. You can even see the surface.
Heidi, can you turn it down, please?
Like it's so clever that I'm just.
I'm recording.
But at the same time, I'm gonna leave the magic live for you guys to figure out in the comments below. Do you think there's like a really thin sheet of glass or what? I mean, I bet one of you are smart enough to figure it out.
Bump into me. Bump. No? You don't want to bump into me? You bump into me. Or I bump into you. Yeah, let's continue. This will be the last game because it's secure. None of the other games are secure.
Okay, if there's one
So how am I supposed to do this?
natural pool right next to the
Maybe I could play Zelda
It killed
in the next video, if you want me to, guys.
A much more creepy fact.
No, I don't want to buy all your stuff, even if it's not even buying. I'm not buying your stuff.
To use it for ritual services.
There is an update on Wormate. I haven't played Wormate until ages and there's an
Welcome back to
update.
Top 5 Central. Today we're going to be looking at the top
Hopefully I
4
can even
coasters
get
globally
big.
exist.
I'm not very good at
To be
IO
100%
games.
with you guys, I've been
Especially
loving
when the
this series.
lag.
It's super fun to make, so I seriously hope you
This
guys
one
are
isn't
enjoying it
lagging.
well.
Actually, it is lagging.
Tomorrow, we're gonna
Right,
have
as I
some
say, I
giveaways
regret.
because it's 2 ends tomorrow. With that said, make sure you're subscribed and comment.
No!
Gift card.
Let's swap over
I also want to
again.
say thank you so much to Bonnie Plush for
What
suggesting
about
this video.
Zelda?
If you want a shout out,
Type
just
in
like Bonnie, make sure
Zelda.
to
I
leave
don't
a
know
right
what
now
that
and
will
comment
do.
what you want to see in next week's episode. If we can get 5,000 likes on this video,
Wait,
I'll
no.
continue shouting people out next week.
Wait, no.
Anyways, with that said,
Let
let's
me
get
show
right into
you.
the video.
I've got this draw and guess game.
Number 10. The Gravity Max is a tilt coaster based in Taiwan, and if you want to give it a ride, you might want to bring a spare pair of underwear along with you. Most coasters start from a stationary position and are then lifted up a slope by a chain lift. So what that means is you pretty much know what you're
Yeah,
doing
this is the right
to
one.
prepare
Let's
yourself
be
for the
called
eventual drop.
Dragon
It's
Breath.
a little bit
Yeah.
different with the Gravity Max, though. The platform you end up on basically tilts forward until it angles the coaster and its
Please
occupants at a
guess.
90-degree angle before dropping the coaster into a free roll down a long tunnel in a single loop and a couple of
And
big turns.
let's...
So the coaster itself isn't really that impressive.
Anything? I don't want anything. I'm alone in the game.
At the start, which is pretty damn terrifying either way.
Animal. Like the animal. And somebody's playing it. Bear? Human. Foop. Foop. What does that say? Foop. Bear?
Number 9.
What?
The Wicked Twister is a
Yes.
dangling coaster, which means
Is it
you're
good?
sitting in a chair
Yeah,
with your legs
I don't know.
dangling beneath you
You don't
instead of
know.
being in a completely enclosed
I'm making
coaster
another
car.
video.
So not only is the Wicked Twister a dangler, it's supposedly the tallest and fastest dangling coaster in the world.
Gorilla.
Coasters we've got on this list, but it is pretty
Gorilla.
terrifying. Powered by
Ruff.
electromagnetics
What's
that
a-
send pulses of energy into
That
the
a ruff
coaster
isn't an animal.
along the
Yes, I would love to
It
draw.
allows them to fall back down again and then go back up a second spike backwards. So So yeah,
Rabbit.
expect to pee your pants.
I'm drawing a rabbit. Draw the rabbit.
What just happened is linear induction. A long chain of electromagnets laid along the track fire energy in rapid succession, pulling and pushing the coaster down the rails, quickly building speed with every push-pull combination. Number 8.
No, it's not finished
The
at
Ultra
all.
Twister is a coaster from Spa-Land in Nagashima, Japan, and if you ride it, be prepared to get dizzy. This coaster goes backwards and forwards through a chain of never-ending spins. The ride moves at a total of 44 miles per
That was
hour and only
fun.
lasts around a minute and 20 seconds. But in that time, riders are flung through 3 complete inversions, 2 of which are experienced
Oh,
backwards.
we've got 5
after
more
a
minutes
90-degree
left in the
curve,
video.
and an 86-degree drop. So to
I'll make
put
a
that in
video
basic terms, you're gonna
after
get really
this.
dizzy really quickly.
What is that? Octopus?
Number 7. The Slingshot is another Cedar Point ride. Opened in 2014,
please
the Slingshot is
draw.
less coaster and more
Yeah, I would love to draw.
gigantic Slingshot. 2 riders are tied
I'll
into a chair that has 2
draw a
elastic cables
lobster.
attached to it. And those elastic cables are actually attached to 72-meter tall spikes. When the riders are properly strapped in the capsule, it's launched up to 110 meters in the air at around 62 miles an hour. And you basically bounce up and down until it comes to a stop. This ride is literally 2 pieces of string attached to 2 really tall towers and a ball for people to sit in. And it's pretty freaking sweet. Now if you didn't know, I absolutely hate any sort of ride, whether it be a roller coaster or just a slingshot thing like what we have here. All of you are absolutely insane for wanting to go on roller coasters. It's like you're asking for death. Let me know in the comments if you like to ride on roller coasters or if you hate them like me. I mean, they are so terrifying. Who would want to go on one?
No. I don't want to say it. I'm sure.
Number 6. The Stratosphere Hotel in Las Vegas is home to one of the scariest rides in existence. It opened up in 2005 and sits at 270 meters above the pavement. I mean, riders are literally dangled out in the open stratosphere above the freaking pavement
what
outside
is
the
that?
building and then spun around. What's crazy is that in 2005, a group were left dangling for
How
nearly an hour and
did
a
you
half
guess
while the ride
that?
had a fall. Imagine that, just hanging there above Las Vegas waiting for the ride to get fixed. I mean, I guess at least the view would be nice.
Doesn't pick my down, so I'm just doing it. Sweet. Bear. Monkey. What is? How? Oh, that's good drawing. Can I draw? Can I draw? I would love to draw. Would you like to draw? I would love to draw.
Originally another ride called the Air.
With you?
Now, Air was nothing really
No.
special. It was a fling coaster that had 2 inversions and traveled at a pretty slow speed of 47 miles per hour.
I forgot I was on camera.
Those specs. What changed was the addition of
Oh no, I have to end the video. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye. Actually, I'll just do one more thing and then I'll stop the video.
Gear VR headset passing by sites such as Jupiter and Kuiper Bell. That's so freaking awesome.
Bye. Bye guys.